What's up, bag babes? Your girl Rockstar Rochelle. Welcome to a fun unboxing video. It's been a while since I've done a pre-recorded video, so surprise, energy's here. I'm feeling great, and thank you for all the love and support since mom's passing. I have a hot pink deal mystery unboxing that I'm going to do here. If you haven't seen my video, I'm going to post it up above. Basically, 31's been doing these fun things every Friday at noon Eastern Standard Time. 31's dropping 2 hot pink deals. That's what they're calling it, hot pink deals. One is a mystery, and then 2 is like a super discounted item that 31 has. Now, these are like fun, cherry on the top kind of things that you should totally add to your cart so that you can unlock that customer special for the month. But I wanted to showcase, some of you guys were curious, like what is it, right? And what are these hot pink deals? So this was like the very first round. This was a $15 mystery item. This week it's 10. I don't know what it will be the next following week. So just keep up with the channel, keep up with the chat, and you'll see what's all the fun stuff that's happening behind the scenes in terms of what's dropping. I did share a video with Cindy. What these hot pink mystery steals are simply stuff that are super low on inventory that they have a few items of. They don't want to post it on an outlet sale or post it on the website because it would probably sell out in minutes. So these are kind of like that little, like, hey, can I get something for me while I'm shopping for others? So let's get to it. All right, it's hard. All right, this was the $15 steal. What is it, guys? Am I gonna love it? It's hard, I don't know. Oh, there's a handle. So this is, it's a caddy of some sort. Oh, okay. This is the, I know what this is. It's a tried and true. I have a few right here. You can see them. They're like down here. This is a fold and file. Boom. It's super hard, or formed, I should say. You open it up, and then you can, there's a little shelf down here so you can make sure the bottom is hard. A lot of teachers like to use this for filing. Some people use it as a trash bag in the back of their seat. Some people like to put this like inside of a larger bag so that it gives it structure, and then they can just pull out the files that they need once they get to the office. It does have 2 nettings here in the front, and this is the fold and file, which is a tried and true when it comes to 31. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Totally helps out the algorithm, and I appreciate it. And if you had a mystery steal, a hot pink deal, comment down below what you got so we can share the info with all the other bag babes who are catching this video. All right, I'll see you guys on Saturday, 7 a.m. West Coast time, 10 a.m. East Coast time. As always, don't forget to subscribe and join in on all the perks for the behind the scenes for members only stuff. All right, toodaloo, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.